Alright, so now we're going to expand. So using the same rules as we did for condensing in the previous problem, we are going to go the other way. So this one, you just have to first look and see what operations are happening between these things, and then I'll tell you how many logs there are. So there is an operation here. This is 3 times that. And then there's another operation here. This is x to the third times y to the fourth. So I should have a log for this, a log for this, and a log for this. And the operation that's going to be separating the multiplication is addition. So I have a log base 4 of the first thing, which is 3, plus a log base 4 of the second thing, which is x to the third, plus another log base 4 for the y to the fourth. Then I have to do the product property. So if I have a product here where something's being taken to the power, I have to bring that power down in front. So I have 3 log base 4 of x for this one, plus 4 log base 4 of y for this one, and then the first one didn't have an exponent, so that one can just stay the way it was. And I could always go back and check my answer by trying to condense this to 1 log and seeing if I get what I started with. Okay, so for B, there's no operation happening here other than the cubed root of x. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this as an exponent. And this is equal to log base 6 of x to the 1/3 power, because cubed root is to the 1/3 power. So now that I've done that, the only operation I can still do is stick that exponent down in front. So this is actually going to be written as 1/3 log base 6 of x, and that's that one's final answer. Again, on the next one, I need to pull apart what operations are happening. So I have a 2 and an x to the third, and there's multiplication here. So I have a log for the 2 and a log for the x to the third. And then that whole thing is being divided by 3. So I should have another log for that operation. So I've got log base 9 of the first thing, which was 2, and that's being multiplied to the next one. So I'm going to use the addition, because multiplication goes to addition. Log base 9 of x to the third, that's what it was being multiplied to, 2 times x to the third. And then the whole thing was being divided by, so now I'm going to use the quotient property. So I'm going to subtract another log, base 9, of what's being divided by, which is 3. And so now I need to go back and check, do I have any exponents? And the only one with an exponent is here. So this is 3 log base 9 of x, and the other ones didn't have any exponents, so I can just drop those down. And then I can always check and go back and condense and see if I get the same thing.